Today I'm going to be doing a video review on this SKG massager. This was actually gifted to me by the company, so I'm going to be taking it out of the package, unboxing it, and testing it out. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open the box. We're going to go ahead and check out what is inside the box, what is included when you get your massager. So as you can see, it is packaged in here. Everything that you need is already here. You don't have to build anything. So let me go ahead and take out the massager. All right, so this first bag right here, it does come with your instruction manual along with a charging cable. So that is included. Now for the good part, this is the massager itself. Let me go ahead and take it out of the package and then show you what it looks like. Right here it is. I absolutely love the sleek design. It feels very high end. Check it out on the top here. It has like a leather type top. It has the logo, the SKG. This is kind of like a fabric material. On the back here, this actually feels like a pillow. Kind of looks like a pillow style material. So it's actually a dual-sided design. So you can use this side for a deep tissue massage. As you can see, you could definitely see that coming through. This is going to be the massager side. Or flip it and use it more like a pillow or a backrest. So like I mentioned, it is that soft, nice pillow material. This is perfect for napping or just relaxing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and power it on. There are 3 massage modes: clockwise, counterclockwise, and an alternate setting. So it cycles between 30 to 40 RPM, which gives it a mix of pressure. It feels relaxing without being too intense. Check that out. So you could use this anywhere from your neck, your shoulders, your back, even your legs. So there's also 2 heat settings built in. The warm stays between 45 to 50 degrees, so it is not too hot, but just enough to add some comfort while the massage notes do their thing. So this is very easy to control with just a few buttons here on the side, and it shuts off automatically after 15 minutes, which is helpful so you don't overdo it. But again, if in case it does turn off on you and you want a little longer of a massage, you could always turn it back on. So if you are someone who sits in a desk all day, travels a lot, or you just want something to relax, to massage you after a long day, it's definitely one of those things that you think you don't need until you try it. So my final verdict, if you're looking for a massager for yourself or for a loved one, for home, for the office, or for on the road to travel, then definitely check this one out. It definitely relaxes you. It gives you a nice massage, and I absolutely love that it has the heat setting options. So overall, I would highly recommend.